Hello everyone, I'm Augie and this is how I built my speakers. First thing I had to do was come up with the design. To do this, I went to the program Pages and used it to create my plans. After I printed off the document, I wrote in what I wanted my measurements to be. The next step was to get the board that I wanted to use to create my cabinets. The kind of board I used was 1/2 inch thick particle board. The next step was to cut the board into the pieces to make the cabinets out of. Using my measurements that I created earlier, I was able to get an exact size for every single piece. After using the table saw to make my pieces, I glued all the pieces together with wood glue. After gluing all the boards together, I used pipe clamps to hold the boards in their exact place for 24 hours. This allowed the glue to set up as hard as concrete. Next, I drew out on the front panel where my speakers were going to be. I used a jigsaw to cut out the holes. I used truck bed liner to paint the boxes. After I painted the boxes, I painted a white layer inside of the boxes. You'll see why later. This is a soldering gun. It's what I use to attach all the wires together. When we were done soldering all the wires together, we used Brock's receiver to test the speakers out. The paint on the inside of the box here is what you saw earlier. It's to reflect the light coming from the light bulb inside of the box.